If you guys have watched my previous video and seen my current hair color, you guys should know what's up. I mentioned that I really need to dye my hair again, and the time has come. After that video, I actually dyed my hair with this Mise bubble hair color, but not this color. It was in rose tea brown. This is something that my mom bought for me to, you know, stand by. But anyway, yeah, so I dyed my hair with rose tea brown for my cousin's wedding in December. And then now is 15th of February, which is Chusi, which means Chinese New Year is tomorrow, and this is the very last minute hair dye session. So the color lasted for about 2 months, and I really like that color, the rose tea brown color. But it has so far faded off to this golden brown, and I really don't appreciate this hair color. It gets lighter and lighter. I don't know why, I don't know how they do this, but there's certainly something that makes my hair color lighter, because it even lightened the root. So I believe that there's a little bit of like bleach in it. Almost every day my friends have been asking me, do you do something to your hair? Do you bleach your hair? Do you dye your hair? No! It's just changing by itself. You can see my roots growing out. It's like really time for a change. I will be trying out something new actually. I got this from Korea. It's this Mise and Scene. I don't know how to pronounce it anyway. It's the Hello Bubble Foam color. The color is Sahara Rose Pink, and I've always been like searching, like just scrolling through Q10 whenever I'm free, just to see like what's new, you know. I found this and I was so excited because they have a whole range, and there's so many colors that Mise Bubble Hair Dye doesn't have. They have a deep Bordeaux rose, Bordeaux, which is something that I was also considering. They also have metallic ash, which is, wow, more interesting colors than you see from Mise lah. And I really want to try it, so I got it, and it's only $10.90 for this. Wow, that's not cheap, man. Retail price on Q10 is $15.75, but there's also a sale price at $10.90. After today, I will see whether I want to stock up more or not. And Mise hair dye is like about like 20 plus. You can see that this one is much bigger, but it doesn't mean anything like, it's just a box, right? I mean, inside might be like empty. So if your hair color is very dark, it will just turn into a dark pink. If your hair color is brown, it will turn into this medium pink. And then if it's light, I think like mine, yeah, because this is not like blonde color, but it's like brown, light brown, it will turn into light pink. Oh my gosh, it's raining. You wanna see? See. Oh. Let me just see what they have inside. I have a packet here, which I think contains the instructions. Hopefully, there's some English words on it. Okay, so there is no English words on this. Yep, so going by the numbers. So this is the first one, it's number 1. I think this is the colouring thing. Duh, what's not the colouring thing? You hear that? Okay. Oh! And then this is the developer, right? So this is the color, and then this is the developer. I believe there's this pump that comes with it. It's supposed to screw onto this thing, I think. Oh, is this the color? I think this is. I really don't know. I'm so confused. I think this is the conditioner, and then this is like extra serum treatment thing. Okay, so this is my current hair color. So we just get started. I think there is some kind of glove lah. Oh, it's for you to tie around your neck one, like to cover your shirt. Wow, this is smart leh. Okay, but no, I still want to change to an unwanted shirt because I like this shirt a lot. It's from Cotton On. I don't think they have it in store anymore, but anyway. I love that. Okay, so I'm gonna get changed right now. Okay, those of you from NTU, you will probably see this shirt around. It's our How To anti-foul shirt. It's not unwanted, okay? It's just that I don't mind staining it. It's black, okay? It doesn't matter. I believe it's like that. Is this supposed to be a fun? Silly me. I think this is supposed to be the fun. Yay! Okay, I spoke so much about latex gloves in the previous video, so y'all should know how much I love latex gloves. And they provide latex gloves! I really like it better than the plastic one. It just lets me feel the hair better and like nicer to wear lah, I think. It fits better. So I will just do it here lor. Wow. What a risk. I hope like nothing stains anything. But if that happens, I've got some tissues on. stand by. Okay, so first step is this, put into this. Okay lah, it doesn't smell bad, just like very chemically. This thing is coming out like a clear liquid, dripping into what looks like also a clear liquid. This one kind of stinks, smells a bit ammonia-y. If I'm not wrong, the Mise one didn't really smell. Mise is from Japan ma, like the formula is really good and stuff. And I haven't really tried a Korean hair dye, right? Oh, okay, except April Skin, but that one is not a dye, that one is just a temporary hair treatment kind of thing, you know? Oh, down girl, down. I'm just gonna throw my rubbish inside this box, then it makes it very easy to dispose everything later. So once that is done, kinda wanna sneeze. I close it with the pump cap and then shake it about 20 times, like this. Not up and down, but side to side. Oh, it's warm. It's developing. 20 already? They say apply from the top of the hair to the end of the hair. Wow, I'm very nervous there. Oh, you got locked. Yeah, so don't make the same mistake as me, yeah? It's a lock, ah. Okay, now serious time. Ta-da! Foam. I have a mirror here, in case you're wondering what am I looking at. When April sprinkles. Hello forehead. I know my forehead is like super freaking high. My group of friends, Bionic 15, 16, was playing my video, the April Skin hair dye video, during our Chinese New Year gathering, and like they were so excited for the part where I dyed up my fringe. So yeah, I hope this makes you all happy, seeing the glow of my forehead. Hey, I'm just gonna flip my hair, just to make it easier. I look ridiculous. It's definitely much quicker than regular dye where you use the brush to apply. Foam is able to spread very fast, easily. If you are the kind that don't really have the time to like slowly sit down, separate your hair, paint your hair, then yeah, I think bubble hair dye is a super quick and easy way to get the hair dye on. My hair is feeling super dry actually now. Don't make it worse. So, oh my god, what's going on? That was convenient having a tissue near me. So if you're dyeing your hair in the toilet or whatever, make sure that your tissue is like easily accessible, not like you have to fumble with the toilet roll or whatever, because you will stain the toilet roll, you stain the wall, you stain, I don't know. Look at this. This is a very unflattering angle of me. Sorry guys, bear with it. Other thing is, you really want to make sure that you got all the roots. You see, like this part, right, I didn't even pay attention to. So really get in there. It's not easy to get into, like, you know, your sideburns here. Be extra careful. Making it worse. Because with a brush, you have more precision, but this one no. So you have to rely on your fingers, which is why I prefer latex gloves. Don't forget the back of the head. Like, a huge blob went onto my phone and on my desk. Like, small area here. Yes. If you're like me, you're very lazy to put like Vaseline or whatever to protect your skin from the dye, then you should have some wet tissues handy by your side that you can use to wipe whatever is like staining your neck, your back, okay, I'm kidding. Your neck, your ears, your face, your chin, whatever lah, your arms. It's good to have wet tissue and dry tissue. But I'm not that well prepared, as you can see, because it's damn last minute. Make sure that the bottom is also covered, not just the top of the hair. More or less everything is covered now. I'm just gonna take like a big glop and bam! Try to get it to stay on your head like a bun so that you can have 20 to 30 minutes hands-free while it develops, right? About dyes. You can do other things. So I'm rubbing it in because I want to make sure that my hairs are equally coated and I don't miss a spot. But I don't know, I don't think it's recommended for you to rub in any dye on your scalp. So don't do it. Just watch me do it. Wow, my face. Okay, the smell of the dye now is very mild. It's a very subtle smell. I look like I have a really bad rash. Oh, it's so gross. Oh, damn. So I am just going to wipe away all the stain marks like now. So I'm using baby wipes actually. It's quite easy to rub off. The color was scary, but it's not like it's stained forever and ever. the foam for this product is not as solid as the Mise bubble hair color. The Mise foam really glues everything in place. I don't know, this one I really cannot see that there's bubbles already. The Mise one really can see it's just bubbles, foam for a really long time, but this one is, all the foam is gone already. So now it's 6 PM. I'm gonna wash it off at 6:30 and then I'll check back with you soon. So this is the outcome. Yeah, the sun is setting, so the lighting here is super yellow. It's not very accurate, so I'm gonna rely on my indoor lighting. I do not look like this girl at all. I mean, my hair color is like a redder pink, something that I don't mind, but it's just maybe the color chart is a little bit off because it turned out to be a darker pink. So I realized that every time I dye my hair pink, right, the top of my head is always very bright, as well as the ends of my hair. This section doesn't get dyed so richly. I also don't know why. Maybe I didn't, you know, put enough. So like this part is pink, then this part is slightly brown, and then this part is pink again, like super bright pink. When I was rinsing off the hair dye, my hair really felt super dry. I was scared. I was like, oh shit, what did I do to my hair? Then after that, I applied the serum treatment, which is the gold color packaging, and now my hair feels like super soft. So I really hope that it salvaged my hair, like not that like after a few washes, then after that my hair turns back to that super dry condition again. So I'll see whether this hair color will last or not. I don't really love it, but I think it's okay. It's fine, you know. I think it's a nice change, something more vibrant and happy for the new year. Definitely better than my previous golden monkey color, I feel. 恭喜发财! Today is the first day of Chinese New Year, and yeah. So I'm just gonna show you my hair in natural daylight. I threw away the box last night, so I can't really show you the comparison, but yeah, it looks very different from the girl's hair on the box. It's definitely a much more saturated pink, but hers was more on a pastel side. Maybe it's because my hair was already orangey brown, so there's a bit of warmth in the color of my hair, and maybe that's why it made it redder instead of it being more ashy pastel pink. One thing though I'm very scared is that because today is a really hot day, I'm afraid that when I sweat it will stain my romper. Feels super soft from yesterday. What do you guys think? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it. If you want to find out more about these weird products I buy online or elsewhere, then remember to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. So keep slaying. Bye!